I'm standing here in the heart of the City of Westminster as the Lord Mayor of Westminster, so it's wonderful to be standing here to be celebrating and help celebrate what is a very important time for all Muslims, not only here in Westminster, but across the UK and the world.
I feel like a lot of us feel like we need a sense of humanity again in our lives, to be in touch with our humanity, to remind ourselves of the good virtues of humanity. And I think festivals like Ramadan, not just Ramadan, but lots of other festivals, religious festivals, represent that and reflect that. So it's so wonderful to be right here celebrating Ramadan as part of an inclusive society right here in central London. So before anything else, I think we should give ourselves a massive cheer.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for coming down, and thank you for the introduction. I'm Rahima Aziz, Trustee of the Aziz Foundation. We are so proud to have been sponsoring and organising these lights for the past 2 years. Has anyone been here before? Did anyone see the lights last year? Yeah? Oh, amazing. And is this anyone's first time seeing the lights? The other really exciting addition we have is an iftar food trail. If there's one thing Muslims like more than food, it's food that comes with a discount. So I'm going to pass you on to the mayor of this lovely city that I'm very proud to call home, Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan.
In the greatest city in the world, we don't just stand strong against all forms of hatred, we shine bright as a beacon of hope. We don't simply tolerate difference, we respect, we embrace, and we celebrate. And these lights are so important. I want to thank the Aziz Foundation. These Ramadan lights were the first ever lights to be lit in any city in the Western world, and they were lit here in London. Are you ready? Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
ثبتني واسترني إلهي عظيم اللهم بلغنا رمضان اللهم بلغنا رمضان.
I see a lot of people, a lot of tourists from Muslim countries taking pictures with these lights, thinking, oh my gosh, there's a Western city that's celebrating Ramadan in such a big way. So I think it's super important. So thank you to Aziz Foundation for that.
My father's probably too shy to speak, but this foundation is his vision, it's his legacy. I'm so proud to be continuing it on. I hope you enjoy the lights, I hope you enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much. Ramadan Mubarak.
Thank you, enjoy the food!
اللهم بلغنا رمضان